Renovation loan qualification. It's a common misunderstanding that qualifying for a renovation loan is much different than qualifying for a regular loan. Although the process is definitely different, the qualification is pretty much the same. This means that if a lender qualifies you for a home purchase of $500,000 on a regular 30-year fixed-rate loan, then your qualification is still the same for a renovation loan. It just means that the $500,000 has to cover both the purchase and the construction costs. So if you're pre-approved for $500,000, you can find a home that needs repairs under $500,000 and use the difference towards renovation. So if you find a home for $400,000, you'd have about $100K for reno, and if you found a home for $475,000, you'd have about $25K for reno. This is just a rule of thumb because renovation loans do have additional fees and contingencies added to the rental budget, so it's not dollar for dollar exactly the same, but this is a good rough estimate to use while you're home shopping. Of course, if you do find a home that needs repairs and you want to use a rental loan, run the scenario by your loan officer to make sure the numbers work, including contingencies, architectural fees, permit fees, etc. And make sure you have a licensed and insured contractor who is familiar with the rental loan process, whether that means conventional Fannie Mae Homestyle or FHA 203K.